Hello and welcome again to another tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove any user from your Windows system. So let's suppose you are the main user of your system and you have given accesses to other users, but now you wanted to remove them. So how you can do that? In this video I'm going to show you that. So first of all, you have to click on this start menu. As you can see, the start menu. So right click on that and then click on the computer management. It will open the computer management tab in front of us. Okay, as you can see, computer management. Okay, so once you can see this particular tab, we are going to click on this local user and groups. If we click on this, it will give you two options, users and group. So we are going to click on the users. Okay, under the users folder you will find all the users which is assigned in your computer. These are the by default administrator which is disabled. Okay, and this is the default account, this is the guest account. I will suggest not to delete this 4 account. Okay, leave those as it is. But you can see over here there are two other users also in this computer. One is this one which is used by me, and this is the another test user. So if you see over here you will find another user which is visible. So this one, so I wanted to delete this user. So over here you can see the same user, so you can just right click on this particular user and then select delete. Okay, now it's saying that local user and groups, each user account has a unique identifier in addition to their username. Deleting a user account delete their identifier and it cannot be restored. Okay, so if you create a new account with the same name, it will be some other identical user. Okay, so it's saying that, are you sure you want to delete it? I will. Okay, so let's click on the yes, and now the user is gone. If you see over here, the user is gone. So this is how you can delete any user from your Windows computer. So if you learned anything from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.